In case you haven't written the question, please note down the question if you want. Arts club, ये याद रखना, arts club of your school is going to organize drawing and painting competition. Okay, date, then
Time.
okay, next
Venue.
venue means place. Yes, so everyone in the box you can write down date, time and venue. Today is 10 May, give at least 10 days more for practice, okay, to do practice.
Can we write the 21 May?
2021, okay. 21 May 2021, then time 10 to 12 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 12 noon, or venue, you can write anything here. Now the next one, I'm giving you 1 more minute to complete this bottom part after the box. Okay, Devang, what should I write after the box, beta?
Ma'am, the extra information, the painting must be the level of the class in which they study.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can complete it. Okay. So, Madhav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what should I write after the box?
Ma'am, interested students can give their names to their respective class teacher latest by 18th May 2021. For further information, you can contact the undersigned.
Okay, one mistake is there. You are not supposed to use the pronoun you. Okay? So, for further information, contact the undersigned directly. Okay? Okay. Next is you can give extra information like Devang said. Okay? So, sheets will be provided on the spot. Okay? So, students should bring their own colors. So, these type of information can be given if you want. It's not necessary, it's optional. So, one more student, then we.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Savya.
Okay. Students who want to participate can give their names to their respective class teachers.
Savya, I think I muted you. Just wait. Yes, class teacher के बाद बोलना बेटा.
To the respective class teacher latest by 14th May 2021. There is no fees to be given. For further information, contact the undersigned.
Okay. For more information, for any other query, contact the undersigned. Okay. Then how to end it? Adgun and Karthik will together tell me how to end the notice.
Ma'am, can I speak the lines after the box?
Okay, you can speak. Then Adgun will speak of the last format. Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, the material of painting would be acrylic color, and students have to bring their material with them. No material will be provided by the school.
Okay.
And interested students can give their names to their class teachers latest by 15th May 2021. For further information, contact the undersigned.
Okay, fine. Well done. So extra information can be given, beta. That sheets will be provided by the school, okay? And students need to bring their colors. Okay. Adgun, what should I write, beta, in the ending? Last format.
Ma'am, signature, then name, then designation.
Okay. Signature, then designation. Try to write this thing, beta. Member of art club. Don't always.
And ma'am, I want to add one line in the last part.
Yes.
Ma'am, हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि net ideas should not be used.
Yes, exactly. You can write that internet ideas will not be Okay, fine. They are not to be used. Okay. And creativity, marks will be given to creativity. So many things are there. But keep in mind, everyone, 50-60 words is zyada now. Okay. Okay, next one, next writing skill. Now I'm moving to the next one. This is application to principal to change address in school records. This is your application. So we'll discuss the format and you can just speak up the body of the letter. And at home you can complete it. Application to principal ma'am to change address. Maybe you have changed your address and same is to be done in school records also. आपको school records में भी change करवाना पड़ता है by writing one application. So you can write application to principal ma'am to change address in school records. First of all, let's discuss the format and let me find out the student who hasn't got turn. So Madhav, Shubh got turn. Jasmeet. Jasmeet, you're raising your hand, but your video is off. Please try to unmute. Jasmeet. Are you there, Jasmeet? Yes, please. Yes, please.
नोटिस राइटिंग और एप्लीकेशन मैम पेयर पे करनी है
No need, because this is revision only. This is revision, no need to do. Okay? So Jasmeet, can you tell me the format till respected ma'am? Jasmeet. Okay, she's not there, I think. So next one is Raghav. Raghav, are you there? Raghav. So many students are there. Video is off and they are not responding. Saksham Samarth. Saksham Samarth, are you there? Well done, all of you. Shivang.
Yes ma'am मैम आए तो
Who's there? Who's speaking? Who's speaking?
मैम जैस्मीन
Jasmeet. Okay, Saksham Samarth, I'll give you turn, beta. You have to speak body of the letter. So Jasmeet, please tell me the format till respected ma'am.
द प्रिंसिपल स्वामी चंदास पब्लिक स्कूल जलंधर सिटी
Slow. The principal, how to write the principal? Capital क्या क्या लिखना है बेटा इसमें?
मैम द का टी कैपिटल प्रिंसिपल का टी कैपिटल
Yes, exactly. 1 minute. Okay, let me write the principal. Then how to write Swami Sandas Public School? Capital क्या क्या लिखना है वो भी बताते जाओ.
मैम स्वामी का मैम एस कैपिटल संत का मैम एस कैपिटल दास का डी पब्लिक का पी स्कूल का एस
Yes, SSDPS. Okay. So next one, beta.
मैम जलंधर सिटी
City कैसे लिखना है?
मैम टी कैपिटल
Okay, I have written. Yes. Next one. Next, what should I write?
मैम लीव वन लाइन
Okay. Then
मैम 10 मई 2021
okay, fine. Next.
मैम लीव वन लाइन
Okay. Next.
चेक
Subject. What is the subject, beta? It's change of address. Okay. So beta,
ओके मैम
everyone, C should be capital. Please keep in mind in the subject, the first letter, this one, change, request, whatever the word is, and don't write the ing word here. Change of address. Okay. Next one is respected.
मैम रिस्पेक्टेड मैम
Okay, fine. Well done, beta. So respected ma'am. Now I'm giving you 1 minute. Saksham and Samarth, you have to just tell me the body of the letter. Whenever you are ready, please raise your hand, okay? And then other students also write down. I'll give chance to 1 or 2 students more. And your time starts now. You have 1 to 2 minutes. Start your application by saying that I am a student of class 7th A. Then write down the main body of the letter.
I wish to state that we have shifted to our new house. It is located in Saraba Nagar. Actually, my parents were deciding to make a new house 2 years ago. And after deciding, finally we made our house. I'm only this much I have written till now.
Okay, fine. Okay. So you can continue, okay? And okay. So next one is Adgun is writing Gorish. So you can just
I am also
copy this
writing.
line if you want that my parents they had decided, okay? So whenever you are writing letter to principal ma'am, just be specific, ठीक है? थोड़ा precise लिखना है, मतलब maximum 5 to 6 lines or 7 lines should be there, ठीक है? Not more than that. So just write down that we have shifted our house. Now we have shifted from this place to this place. ठीक है? I want to request you to just change that, ठीक है? Yes, Gaurish, please
Ma'am,
speak.
we have to, ma'am, I am writing, ma'am. I have a doubt, ma'am. We have to write in certain reasons, ma'am, that why we have changed our
There no
address.
need to change it. Still, if you want, you can write in just one line. ठीक है? Due to some family circumstances, we had to shift our house. So simple one line should be there rather than writing so many lines. ठीक है? One line. Because principal ma'am, she would not, I think she would not be interested in knowing that why you have shifted. बस उनको इतना चाहिए कि okay shifted है, okay we'll change your record. ठीक है? Only this one. Yes, Gaurish.
ओके मैम, बस हमने इतना ही लिखना है कि जैसे कि हमारा एड्रेस चेंज हुआ तो हमने प्रिंसिपल मैम को एड्रेस के बारे में बताना है और इस तरह से लिख देंगे ड्यू टू सम फैमिली सर्कमस्टांसेस और ड्यू टू सम सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम्स वी हैव टू चेंज आवर एड्रेस.
Why? हाँ बिल्कुल. This is one example. Only not only problem. Sometimes you have to shift ना. Due to any issues, you can say that recently we have shifted our house. ठीक है? So initially we used to live in this area. Now we have shifted to this area. So I want you to. ठीक है? I request you to change it. So yes, Karthik, you were raising hand again. Adgun, I am coming to you, beta. I'll give chance to everyone.
Actually, I am writing my last 2 lines. After that, I
Okay, you can write. So Adgun, yes, please. Then Savya. Adgun, you can unmute, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with due respect, I am a student of class 7th A. My parents has changed their place from New Raja Garden to Sher Singh Colony, but in the school records, my address is same as New Raja Garden. So I request you to change my address in the school records, so that it should not be any problem in the future.
Okay, well done. So that there should be no problem in future. Well done, beta. So next is Savya. Savya, what have you written? So Adgun, if you are free, you can take screenshots. Yes, Savya.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, you are writing. Okay. So next.
ma'am?
हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी. You can ask.
मैम कितने वर्ड्स का होना चाहिए कंटेंट?
Beta, words actually we can't decide how many words. It depends on the topic. Suppose आपको revision of fine आया है, ठीक है? उसमें you have to explain the whole incident. Then obviously that is something different, ना? So just wait, beta. Just wait. So it doesn't. It depends on only the topic. ठीक है? Otherwise, try to write in just 5 to 6 lines या 7 lines maximum. अगर ऐसे कुछ है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Jasmine, please speak up.
With your
Jasmine, you are muted. Please unmute. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible.
With your respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 7th A. I want to change the address in the school record as we have shifted from JP Nagar to BSF Colony due to unavoidable reasons. It's my humble request to change in your records. I shall be thankful to you.
Okay, well done. Well done, beta. So yes, beta, here there is no need to explain the things. So you can just write the short application. We will not deduct your marks by saying that your application is short. Okay, obviously you are not supposed to tell so many reasons to principal ma'am. Okay. Okay, next is Jasmine. After that, Harmeet. Jasmine, then Harmeet. Jasmine, are you there? Yes, beta, speak up, Jasmine. think so. You are not able to. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, Harmeet.
With due respect, I wish to state that I am a student of class 7. Day before yesterday, we are shifting to a new house that is in JP Nagar, Bank Colony. As our previous colony people were very bad.
Okay, you can write, but just better avoid these type of things because you are writing to your principal ma'am in informal letter. अगर अपने friend को लिखनी हो that you have shifted to a new house, that is different thing. वहाँ पे आप explain कर सकते हो that our old colony was very bad, ठीक है, people were not good there. But to principal ma'am, she has nothing to do with your this reason, ठीक है, उनको बस आपके address से मतलब है, nothing else, ठीक है. So you are not supposed to write these type of reasons, ठीक है. Simply लिख सकते हो कि due to family circumstances we had to shift our house. I'm writing here the ending format also. You can speak up again, but for just wait. Name, class, roll number. I'm giving you the next topic also. Then I'll come back to this application and you can just speak up. Okay. So this is your application. Now I'm giving you one more topic. You can note down that topic. Third one is the paragraph. The day I took a wrong decision. This is your paragraph. This is your paragraph. Okay. And your homework paragraph is how I take care of my health. You can note down these things and you can take 2-3 days and complete these two paragraphs. Okay? The day I took a wrong decision and homework is how I take care of my health. In the first paragraph, you have to use the past tense because took a wrong decision means this is the past incident. So here you will use past tense. But here in the second one, how I take care. Take means generally, daily, how you take care. So here you will write in present tense only. That daily I wake up at this time, okay, then I go for a walk. I try to hydrate myself, okay, I just drink a lot of water. So try to write in present tense, okay. Now think about one idea. अब कोई ऐसा incident याद करो when you took a wrong decision. We are not going to write it. We'll just orally just think that this is your speaking test. You have to speak up only. The day I took a wrong decision. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes just to think about the wrong decision. Then you can speak. For 1 minute, you have to speak only. Think about one wrong decision that you took in your life. जब तक आप सोच रहे हो, meanwhile some students are raising their hands. Raising plus
Yes, ma'am.
Raising hand also. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I start from beginning or where I left?
Where you left, beta. Okay, you can start from beginning. I think you might have removed that line. जो reason वाली थी.
Ma'am, no.
Okay, that is okay. Then you can speak from the beginning.
Ma'am, with due respect, I am a student of class 7th A. I wish to state that we have shifted to our new house. Now it is located in Saraba Nagar. Ma'am, you have told me that I have to remove this line. Actually, my parents were deciding to make a new house.
Yes, here you can write that due to family circumstances we had to change.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written. As the condition of our house was getting bad, so we decided to shift to a new house. So now from Gurdev Nagar, we have shifted to Saraba Nagar. I request you to please change my address in school records so that no issues should be regarding vehicles or anything.
Okay, so that okay, no issues should be found. Okay, well done. So now everyone.
And
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also taken idea of a wrong decision.
Okay, which decision you had taken wrong? Yes, please.
Ma'am, recently in Corona period, I have my parents decided that I should not go outside to play with my friends. And this made me very angry. I was telling my parents that I want to play. Otherwise, I will be getting bored all the day. And when they tell me when they told me that I will not go outside, then one time I decided that I should leave home, as there are very rules and regulations in this house.
Okay, fine. And okay, you can just write down that for some time, even I left the house. Okay, I kept wandering. Okay, I kept wandering here and there. Then in the evening, I realized that I can't, survive. I couldn't survive on my own. So I thought that my decision was wrong and I should listen to my parents. Okay, well done. So any other idea, please tell me, beta. We have just 3 minutes left. Adgun, your idea, Gaurish, yeah. So,
मैम ये कार्तिक से थोड़ा सा लाइक रिलेटेड है.
okay, kind of same idea that.
मैम
Yes,
बट
ma'am.
थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट भी
यस
है.
मैम कार्तिक से मैम थोड़ा सा रिलेटेड है
मैम
कि,
कार्तिक से रिलेटेड है.
मैम कि कार्तिक की मदर फादर ने उसको बोला कि बाहर मत जाओ. तो मैं बाहर गया, लेकिन मैम उस दिन बहुत रेन हो रही थी, तो मैम वो सारी रोड बेड थी, तो मैं स्लिप कर गया साइकिल से और मेरी बहुत पेन हुई मैम. इस तरह से मैम आइडिया मैम मेरा.
Okay, fine. Okay. So all the students are having, I think, same kind of ideas. Wrong decision तभी होता है when we don't listen to our parents. ठीक है? So obviously, I took a wrong decision when I didn't listen to my parents. They told me not to do this or that thing. ठीक है? Or regarding your homework also, my mother used to tell me 1 month before exams that you should prepare for exam, but I didn't obey her. And one day before the exam, I was so nervous. ठीक है? So these type of things you can write. Okay. Now how I take care of my health. So daily how you take care. So in exam also, whatever comes in your exam, okay, you have to see the title very carefully. If in the title you feel that this is the past incident, you will write the past tense. And so many students are there, beta, when we give this paragraph, how I take care of my health, they just start, talking about the past incident. That one day I was alone at home, no one was there to take care of my health. So I woke up, I made this and that for myself. So don't do this thing. Take care of your health means daily how you take care of your health. Okay? So one more student, Saksham and Samarth, speak up. Then we don't have time. Tomorrow we'll discuss something else. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I want to speak the ma'am application content.
Yes, beta. Speak up.
Respected ma'am, with due respect, I, student of class 7th, wish to state that due to some family problems, I got shifted from Global Colony to Sher Singh Colony. I want to ask you to change my address in the school records and ask to my bus driver to please take me from that place. I know that the roads of that area were a little bit congested, and I will be waiting near the main road for the bus to come and take me from that place. Thanking you. It's my humble request to change the my address in the school records. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Saksham Satyawal 7.
Okay, fine. Well done, beta. So 1 or 2 suggestions from my side. First of all, I want to ask you to do thing. No, I want to request you to give me permission to change my address from this to that in the school records so that I can avail bus service. Okay? Only this one. Otherwise, roads are congested and all the things that is a matter of, I think, the bus in charge and all the other staff. So to principal ma'am, only just request her to change your address so that I can avail bus service without any issue. Okay? So otherwise, well done. So now you can join your next class. So we'll do now grammar tomorrow onwards. Okay? Take care.